Hello and welcome back again, my friends, with Bitcoin price prediction or Bitcoin forecast or BTC price prediction. This is Thomas with you again, guys. We came back in another video, and as you see here in the daily, what the Bitcoin given us here, it give us here a very nice pin bar here, as you see it in that level. And last week, what me I told you guys, last Friday, like today, what me I told you, it's staying here, as you see it, guys. Also, we put in the two squares, the one here and the one in the top here. And what else we said? We said the option people, they said they got two level, 17, like that, 500, and down 16, 500, like that. Did the Bitcoin close below any of those two levels? In the top, no, you are far away. And down, it was near to close below, but the daily candle it closed above it. So those people, they make money. That how? Because majority of those people, they are big whales and they know what they're doing. They don't playing, guys. I'm going to show it to you even today. So if you are with us every Friday, we put in for you that video. So now here, technical analysis, guys, what the view it's looking. That pin bar it tell us that level here, it's very stronger supply and demand zone, and it's showing us there is a big pushing coming from down. So now what the view? Maybe tomorrow you're going to see Bitcoin going up because Saturday and Sunday, you know, there is no big volume. Me personally, I think it's going to stay sideways here till Monday because it's going to close the yearly candle, guys. The yearly candle is going to be red like this in Monday. So that's something you need to consider it about. And here in the daily, guys, what else we said here? We said it like this, guys. We said if it doesn't break up or down here, there is no entry. Did it break up? No, us we are very far away. Did it break down? No, us we still very far away, guys. I think picture is very clear to you guys. Yes, here it gave us here that head and shoulder. I show it to you in 4 hours, but it's very far away to break the neckline. It needs to come down till here. And here, we used to have here that up channel like that. Like that, we used to have here a up channel, guys. It came down here, it's showing a pin bar. So let's hope from here we are going to go higher till here, guys. That's another scenario. Or maybe from here we're going to break lower here. That's another scenario, guys. Everything is too clear. Let's go now to see the option for the coming week. What the big whales they saying. So let's go in there. Here we are, guys, in the options. As you see it, the next week is going to expire at 6 of January 2023. That's been all the week till Friday. So where they are the big strikes, guys, and the view for big whales. So as you see here, that place here, the strike here is it at 17k, as you see it. Majority of the calls, they are here. The calls over here, the volume of them is 842 Bitcoin. The pots, they are only 16.2 Bitcoin. So majority of those people here, they believe in the Bitcoin. It will not break that level here of 17k all the next week. Everything is too clear, guys. And even if you came here to the call open interest here and here, it's too close to, is about 500 Bitcoin, but here the volume is telling you everything, guys. As you see it, the volume is about 842 Bitcoin. They don't believe in the Bitcoin it will break 17k. So that the first level, guys. Second level, where it is? You can come here to 16,500, but both of them, they are equal. Here, 16k. Pots a little bit higher, but even the calls. But me personally, I came to here, to 15,500. So 15,500, guys, as you see it. If you see the calls here is 0.5 and the pots is 365 Bitcoin, guys. The number is huge. Even the call open interest is 0.5 Bitcoin and the pots is 580, guys. So 100% the Bitcoin it will not fall down below that level, guys. So what else we said here? We got two levels, 15,500 and here 17k. Everything is too clear. Let's going back now to the chart to do those levels together. So what else we said, guys? We said those people here, they said it will not break 17k. Here it is the 17k and down it will not break 15,500. So let's do it. Here we are, guys. So that the two levels, that two people, they saying the Bitcoin it will not break here 17k and it will not break below here 15,500. So that the view of them, they thinking the Bitcoin it will not break higher. So Bitcoin is still in a bear run or a bear market. So you doing those analysis of you. Also, we enter short from here. Over here, I told you it's still early for us to enter long, and that the view of those people. It's not 100%, guys. There is nothing 100%, but those was the big players of the market. That the view of them. They saying the Bitcoin is going to fall down below that level. It will not break 15,500, and it will not go higher than 17K, guys. Also, we're drawing here that two levels. So next Friday, we're going to come to you and we're going to see if the Bitcoin is going to stay here or no. Everything is too clear, guys. Now let's go into the 4 hours to see what the Bitcoin doing right now in the 4 hours. By the way, before we go to the 4 hours, yes, you. Are you not a subscriber? Make sure to subscribe to our channel and turn the bell notification on to receive all our latest updates and videos. Because guys, every day we put in for you 2 videos. Every day, 2 videos. One after European market close and one after the daily candle close. So like that, you're going to be very, very, very well updated about what the market doing right now. Or you can even join us in Telegram. The link of our Telegram is in the first comment. You done it? Welcome to the family, my friend. Now let's go into the 4 hours to see what the Bitcoin doing right now in the 4 hours, guys. So let's go in there. Here we are in the 4 hours, guys. Here in the 4 hours, also we enter short because of here. When it's breaking here, also we enter short. Over here, we're protecting ourselves. The first time we protect ourselves here. Second time we take some of the profit here. And I told you in the last 2 videos, I told you we got here a head and shoulder. Just for the people that just came now, I told you if it doesn't break up, there is no entry long. Instead to break up, it fall down till here, till that level here. Now what it's showing, guys, it's showing is going upward a little bit because here it tried to give us here a double bottom here. Should we enter long? No, my friend, not yet. I told you here, we got here a flag like that. That one is a flag. And the flag, what it meant, the flag, guys? A flag it meant the Bitcoin is going to continue falling down more, guys. If it's breaking down here, that level here is going to fall down till here, till that level here, 15,600, guys. And I'll show you just now in the option, majority of the people, they said the Bitcoin will not break next week, 15,500. So you enter from here, from 17,500 to 17,200, then look till where we going, till down here. That's how we make a profit, guys. Also, we are not going to enter always if there is a long position coming, guys. If it doesn't, there is no entry. Everything is too clear, guys. Now let's go in to see what our indicator telling us. So let's go in there. Here, our indicator. By the way, yes, I know you are subscribers. Smash the like button. Pause the video now. Go ahead and do it, please. Support us, guys. You know that channel without it can grow up. So please support us. Smashing the like button, writing down a comment. You done it? Thank you very, very, very much, my friend. Here, our indicator, guys, what else we said. Also, we enter from here until now we still holding down here the first. Second time we protecting ourselves. It came here to the middle. Now it came down here. And we got here the downtrend as you see it. Now we are very close to it. Maybe it's going to touch it, then after that it's going to fall down. What me I told you? People they being with us. What me I told you? I told you, me I enter from here. I'm not going to close everything. All this if we touch in here. The oversold area, guys. Did it touch it? Not yet. Because we're still waiting here what's going to happen. Now the Bitcoin it came back here to that supply and demand zone here. Now let's see if from here it's going to fall down again or not. Also we're still sideways. And I told it will not break all less Monday, guys. Everything is too clear. Let's see our other indicator, guys, what it's saying for pictures will be more clear to you. So let's go in there. That one here, also we enter short because we used to be here at the overbought area and we are in a very sharp downtrend. That way also we enter short. It came first here to the oversold area. We're taking some profit. Second time here. Also, we still have now our short position. Now, what should we do, guys? We need now to look in for a long position. Yes or no? We got here that price action or that channel here. If the Bitcoin came and breaking upward here, we will enter long, guys. But I don't think so it's going to happen all that week, guys. Yeah, I think it's going to break here, down here. The lower of that channel is going to fall down till here, till down here, guys. Because till now, also we're still in a downtrend, guys. There is nothing was changed. Also, we are in a downtrend. In all the crypto market, also we are in a downtrend. And what me I told you here? I told you we got here a very big head and shoulder like that. And we make it like that. And I told you if it came down and breaking here, it's going to fall down till the 10K. And here when it's breaking here, what me I told you? I told you we got here a cup and handle like that. Take profit of it. It needs to be down here in that zone here. Let's bring it, not yet. Also we stay sideways here, guys. There is nothing was changed. Everything is too clear. Let's go now to 30 minutes to see if there is any scalping opportunity there. So let's go in there. Here we are in 30 minutes, guys. Here in 30 minutes. Also, last video we said we got here a channel like that. We said if it's breaking up, you need to enter long. Did it break? Yes, my friend. Look at it. It's breaking upward here. And what me I told you? I told you if it's breaking upward here, it's going to go up till here, till that level here. Exactly here. Now, what should you do? Now you enter from here. Now you are in profit now. Now try to protect yourself and move the stop loss upward a little bit because you don't know what's going to happen. And here, look what it's giving you. Look here with me and here and here and here. It give you here a double bottom, guys. Yes or no? Where is the top of the double bottom? Is here. So that one, if it came and break in here, where it's going to be the take profit of that one? You came like that and you do it like that, guys. So it's going to be where I show you exactly where it's going to be the take profit here in that level here, guys. Everything is very simple, guys. You enter now from here, you put the stop loss down here. Now, where you are here, protect yourself because that double bottom here or that W here, it's not yet completed, guys. It doesn't break here in the top. So you need to wait and more, guys, what's going to happen. Let's see our indicator, what it's saying, guys. Our indicator, as you see it, it's being here at the oversold area. Also, we're being looking for a buy. We pull in here that channel like that. When it's breaking here, we enter long. Now, our indicator, it's not yet here at the overbought area. Should you close everything? Not yet, guys. Waiting a little bit till it become green down here in our indicator to become green. Maybe here in the 200 moving average, we don't know. But as you know, Saturday and Sunday, there is no big volume. So try to protect yourself now and move the stop loss upward because you don't know what's going to happen. Everything is too clear, guys. So that's it for that video. See you in another video, guys. Bye for now.